This is to help you find information about Utah explorers, Utah pioneers, or anything you might be curious about. It doesn't have to be about Utah. This is our remote learning weekly calendar, page 1. I am going to page 2. Down below, I have put resources for articles, for information, anything that you need to find answers to, or questions about things that you need to research. These resources will be helpful throughout your time in school. Right here, there is the Utah's Online Library. There is an address here, which I will copy. I am moving to open a new web page where I am going to paste the web address I just copied. This is what I will see. There are a lot of resources, culturegrams, which help you with information about different countries, EBSCO, the Gale Reference Collection, Noodle Tools, World Book Encyclopedia, and other databases and collections. What was that password? Oh, currently the login name is online, one word, and the password is school, one word. I am choosing the student login, where I am going to type online, which is the username, and I will type school for the password. All of these materials are available databases for you to find information. Whatever grade you are in, this will be helpful. I already talked about culturegrams. Here is Infobits. We have used this in class. Noodle Tools. There's the Deseret News in the Salt Lake Tribune. The Library of Congress. Thinkfinity. There are many resources I could review. I'm choosing Infobits because we have used it in class. I can search according to any of these topics, or I can type in a search. I am typing trapper for Utah trappers and traders. I find that there are several options for me. Book articles, biographies, magazines, the news. If I come up here and I type Pioneer, I have some different resources. Book articles, they're not all listed here. It says there are 10. These are all the book articles available about pioneering. There's 11 biographies. Pictures can be a fun one. There's the inside of a covered wagon. Magazines, 127 magazine articles. And 187 news articles. This resource is a wonderful resource for you to use throughout your education with Davis School District in the state of Utah. This is Mrs. Walton signing off.